Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Coinbase. Now, Coinbase tomorrow is going to be offering an IPO, an internal public offering. So this is really exciting because now the public will be able to invest in this company. Now in today's video, we're going to be really breaking down should you invest in it and pretty much what you must know before investing in Coinbase stock. So I'm really excited, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall I hope you guys get something of value out of this video. So now to jump into it, Coinbase, here we come. Roll the intro, let's go. So now what is Coinbase? Now for those of you that don't know what Coinbase is, you literally must be living under a rock because Coinbase is one of the most popular Bitcoin exchanges or cryptocurrency exchanges out there. You can buy and sell different cryptocurrencies, anything from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and a lot of other ones right here. The company over the past couple of years has been really growing at a very rapid rate because of the overall demand for cryptocurrency. Now, when you guys invest in a company, you always want to make sure that you understand how the company makes money. Well, Coinbase makes money in two ways. The very first way is they charge a commission when you buy and when you sell. It's right around $1, but when you have millions of users, you make millions of dollars. The second way they make money is by margin, pretty much allowing customers to borrow money and you charge them interest on that. Very similar to how a bank makes money or even a stockbroker makes money. Now there is another thing where it's called Coinbase Commerce. Really what it is you can now use Coinbase to buy different products from different stores. This is really exciting. Not to mention Coinbase does have a debit card very similar to like a Robinhood card or a company like that. It's pretty much like an online debit card, like an online bank, making your Bitcoin experience a lot more easier. Now, how much is Coinbase worth? Now, do you guys remember in 2017 and a little bit in 2018 when crypto was all the rave? Everybody was buying Bitcoin. Well, Coinbase was worth right around $8 billion then. Now, some evaluations are saying that this company is worth over $100 billion, making this growth insane. And in the past year, their revenue has more than doubled. So this is really exciting. They made more money in the past quarter than they did, a couple years ago, which is awesome. They made over $1 billion. It's crazy, guys, in total revenue. So now who is going to be able to buy this stock? Well, pretty much everybody. Everybody will be able to buy it. You just have to have a stockbroker's account, whether it's on Robinhood, M1 Finance, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab. Almost any stockbroker, you'll be able to buy your cryptocurrency Coinbase shares. Now they're going to be trading under the ticker symbol COIN, C-O-I-N. So this is really cool too. I like the ticker. Now what does this mean for Bitcoin? Is this going to be a good thing or a bad thing? I think it's honestly going to be a good thing for the overall sector to have more exposure into other markets. So now when you pretty much buy into coin stock, you'll be able to invest a little bit like you're investing in Bitcoin, because there is a clear correlation of how when the price of Bitcoin goes up, this company's valuation is going to go up. So I think that's really cool. So it's like you can invest in this company and still invest in crypto. That's just kind of my thing. But the biggest thing, should you buy this company? Well, here's the thing. I definitely think that this company definitely carries a lot of risk, but also a lot of reward. There is so much momentum behind crypto right now, but you have to understand this is going to be a growth stock. So yes, the evaluations are going to be extremely high, especially because of the market we're in right now. I think you must know that stuff because you have to understand that there's going to be some pretty volatile swings. This company is going to be able to go up and down, I could almost guarantee, at pretty rapid rates. But the overall long-term goal, if you're willing to hold it for the next 5, 10, 15 years, I really think the outcome would be really promising. So yeah, I'm going to be investing right around $1,000 in this company. I'm super excited. I'm not even going to look at it for like 3 to 5 years and see what happens, But I think maybe before you invest, or maybe just buy a little bit of a partial share if you can afford it, because it's going to be about $300. So make sure you guys, definitely diversify and all that stuff, but this company is really exciting. So I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.